What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats. Today I'm going to show you how to add a MIDI channel to your already existing multi-timbral MIDI channel. So for my example, I'm going to be using Kontakt right here. I have an instance of Kontakt loaded up with a bunch of different string instruments and each one getting triggered by a different channel. You can see that the first one is by channel 1, second is by channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, etc. Now this is especially useful. Let's say you loaded up an instance of Kontakt, you're running low on RAM and you want to add another channel. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make sure it's routed to a different channel and it's getting triggered by a different channel. But the problem is going to happen is you already have one MIDI track right here. So how are you going to add the next channel? Well, the solution to that is you go to Track, Other, Add New Track with Next MIDI Channel. So you can see here that channel 1 is getting triggered here, channel 2 here. So when I press it, channel 2 is getting played. But when I click on this one, channel 1 is going to get triggered. So this helps you save a lot of CPU, a lot of RAM. Again, guys, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. I can really use 1,000 subscribers because YouTube changed their policy. So please make sure you hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also leave me a comment on what you'd like to learn next. And I'll see you in the next one.